Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the host environment so the build and VM are stable. Enable virtualization in BIOS and install your chosen hypervisor. This gives you VM isolation and performance. Once done, fetch an Android x86 ISO or a generic system image. You need a clean image to boot. Make sure you allocate at least 8 GB disk and 2 CPU cores, more if you plan development. Finally, set up shared folders or a host path to move APKs and platform tools quickly. You now build the Android VM and install the image. Create a VM profile matching the image. Choose UEFI when required and attach the ISO. During install, use Vertio or SCSI drivers for better I/O and enable 3D acceleration for GPU-backed rendering. Once Android boots, enable developer options and ADB over TCP so you can push apps and debug. Also install platform tools on the host. They let you transfer files and capture logs. If you need Google, you finish by making the VM reliable and fast for daily use. Persist data with a dedicated disk and enable snapshots so you can roll back after risky changes. Fine-tune display DPI and input mappings so apps render and accept text correctly. If performance lags, increase CPUs or enable nested virtualization for emulator acceleration. If something breaks, try updating guest drivers, toggling bridged versus NAT networking, or clearing the Dalvik cache. These steps resolve most boot and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.